Welcome to JH. In this comprehensive 2025 tutorial, we will walk you through the exact steps to close your Trello account. Removing an account is a very straightforward procedure, but it is essential to follow every instruction carefully to ensure the process goes smoothly. Whether you are moving to a different platform or simply tidying up your digital workspace, this guide will provide the help you need. To begin, you must navigate to the Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. Once the site loads, you will see the option to log in. Click that button to be redirected to the sign-in page. On this screen, you have a few different ways to access your account. You can log in using your email address, or if it is more convenient, you can use your Google account. Select your preferred login method and enter your credentials as required. It is very important to make sure you are signing into the correct account, especially if you happen to manage multiple Trello profiles. After you have successfully logged in, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your account icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, find the Manage Account link and click it. This action will take you to your central account management page. This page serves as the hub for all your settings and preferences. Once there, locate the section labeled Account Preferences. This is a vital part of the process, and clicking it will give you access to settings specific to your profile. Inside the Preferences menu, you will see a clear option to delete account. Click on this link. You might find the next part a bit repetitive because you will be asked to confirm your decision several times. Trello does this to ensure you truly want to proceed. Clicking the Delete button again confirms your choice and helps prevent any accidental deletions. While these confirmations might seem redundant, they are designed to protect your data. Follow through with all the prompts to finalize the deletion. By the time you finish the third confirmation, your Trello account will be officially marked for removal. It is always a smart idea to double-check for any important boards or data before you confirm the final step, as once the account is gone, it cannot be recovered. And that is how you complete the process. We hope this walkthrough was helpful for you. If you found it useful or have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.